tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about packages, as you know that, and hope you guys are all doing well. And let's get right to the tutorial without wasting any time, and I'm gonna solve the exercise, as you know that. So we'll be making the hands dirty with the code so that we will understand it deeply. Okay, the most important thing is not the theoretical things. The most important thing is like understanding, making your hands dirty with the code and understanding the basic concepts of Kotlin, guys. So what is packages? Okay, actually, the fundamental principle of programming, as you can see here, is all in this acronym, which is DRY. That is, don't repeat yourself, guys. So if you are programming, just write the code once, don't repeat it. So this is the most fundamental principles of programming that you have to understand. And about packages, as you can see here, packages are what are packages? Packages are pretty much like where your class name, class files, location. So it's pretty much like the location of your files, like, or of your class. So actually, you can use the keyword to reuse the code from the other files. That is the package, where you can write the code like the class name once, and you can reuse it multiple times by importing it, right? So this import keyword helps you to reuse it, so it helps you to not repeat yourself. So like, you like the class once and you import it wherever you like in the file, now in any other file, and you can import it, this specific class, and reuse it. All you can use all the attributes of this class, right? So as you can see here, a package, it has given a right definition here. It's an associated collection of code, is usually designed to solve a particular problem that is often multiple functions and classes are there. So packages are pretty much like, are helping you to help you to like manage your classes and files. Okay, and you can pretty much import all these packages wherever you want, and like, and reuse it. So sometimes you want to see a multiple third-party libraries containing classes or functions with the same name. You can also use the keyword as, if you want to just rename this import into whatever name you want to choose, right? If you find out some certain situations like the class names are pretty much similar, so as is a useful keyword. So you can just rename the package as you want while importing. You can import in as in this way. And yeah, if you import the package with a star, that means you are importing everything which is contained in this package, right? All right, and that's it, guys. If you want to, you can go in depth with this documentation, but I don't want to waste the time, because I want to make my hands dirty with the code. I want to solve some exercises. So let's solve the first, like, okay, before solving the exercise, like, okay, you can go out and check out the example here. As you can see here, it's imported at this way. You can use the full qualify name. Okay, if you don't want to just import in that way, you can use it directly, use the full qualification name for this class, and then you can use it, right? You can import everything. You can use uh, you can create a package, and you can import that in the wherever you want, as I told you. Now let's solve the exercise. Let's make the hands dirty, right? So what it says, the first exercise says that, like, import the constant pi and e from the Kotlin math package. Okay, so let's import it. How do you import it? Use the keyword. It's in the package name Kotlin, and it's inside the sub package that is math, and I want to import pi, and also I want to import the another one, the it's the e exponential, sorry, exponential and pi. And what I have to do is display the value on the console. So pretty much, let's display the value of let's first do it with the pi, and then let's do it with the the exponential, guys, and let's run it. Of course, pi is 3.14 and exponential is 2.171, right? This is some kind of a universal constant that everybody of us knows. So yeah, that's correct. And let's go to the next exercise, guys. So in this exercise, it says like so it's BBB. Okay, what it says, it's like, first let's do the starter code defines three packages: AA, BBB, and CCC through the files. This is the Kotlin files. The first package is defined. Okay, what it says is I have to define a val x equals to 10. Okay, a global variable, a top level function which is also fa. What it does, it takes the int parameter. In is an int. Oh, sorry guys, it's like a keyword, so I cannot use it. Okay, and it returns an argument multiplied by x. So it's like the input multiplied by x. Okay, and also it says is a class k with a string that returns k. So I also have to create a class named k, and you have to override the toString function of this class, which is gonna pretty much return k, right? So now let's go to the package B, guys. So in this package, import all the components from A. So how do we import it? First, like, I just want to remove this to. So I have to import is to import all the components from A. So I import all the components from A. So that means everything here. Okay, let's remove the to do, and then what I have to do, and use them in function G. So there is a function G that I have to use, that which takes an int parameter I. Okay, is an int, and then returns the following string. Okay, from A. So that means I have to return the following string from A using the A, right? So I have to use k, and still have to use the dollar. Then I have to use this, and the input I is I. That is like I have taken the input, right? So yeah, this is it, guys. So now let's go to the package C in the main. Okay, so now let's go to the package C. You may call print. So I have to do is like print out this one, guys. So I have to print out this G I. But to print out, I have to import, right? But as you can see, it has automatically imported this file for me. So I didn't know to. So this I is like 1, so G is 1, so input is 1, and like yeah, I think that's it, guys. So if we run, let's see what's gonna print out. It should print k, and fa is 10, because if you see here, this G is what's gonna do. Fa is gonna input x into the input, that is 1 into 10 is 10, so it's k10. That's correct, guys. So we'll solve this exercise. So now let's go to the next exercise, guys, without wasting any time. And this exercise says that the starter code contains a package named Pythagorean. Add a class equilateral triangle that takes a constructor parameter side. Okay, so what we have to do, so we have to create this class equilateral triangle. Okay, so let's do that, guys. So it's a class equilateral triangle. Okay, it's a class. So what is it? Takes a constructor parameter side. So it's a constructor parameter, guys. So it's a side, but that's a of type double. And define a member function area. Okay, and this member function area that calculates the triangle area using the formula square root. Okay, as you can see, this square root is being properly, I'm using it from this package square root. Okay, that I'm importing here. As you can see, square root of 3.0 by 4 into the sides that I provide here. Side of square is side into side, right? So area is square root of this 3 by 4 side square. Okay, and of equilateral triangle. And now, okay, well, I have done this, created this equilateral triangle. So in the main starter code, that's this task one, what I have to do is I have to pretty much uncomment this code. Okay, as you can see here, now I can pretty much import. It's pretty much, you just need to go here and yeah, click this command, that is option, and enter. Okay, just to import, guys. That's it, guys, and let's run this program, and it should pretty much print out this value. And that's it, guys, we are done. We have solved this exercise. So now let's go to the next exercise, the final exercise. What it says is mastering the IDE auto import. As I have already told you before, like if you want to auto import, it's pretty simple. Like what I have to do is I have to auto import this isosceles right triangle defined in this triangle class. Okay, okay, so pretty much is isosceles right triangle. That's it, guys. You just need to put press enter. That's it. It's the Kotlin is automatically going to import it, and that's it. The value sides is I can provide 2.0. That's it, guys. Print area, and pretty much we can use it, guys. That's it. Okay, so we are pretty much done with our exercise, and catch you up later, guys. If you like my tutorials, please consider subscribing it and helping me making more tutorials. Okay, and thank you very much, guys. Cheers.